my name is Gala. In my video, I'm going to share everything I know how to prepare rice in rice cooker for sushi or sushi cake. In the video, I make comparison sushi rice and medium grain rice. Yes, we can substitute sushi rice to, for example, medium grain rice, but we need adjust seasoning because sushi rice has natural sweetness. To measure rice, I using rice cooker cup. I'm going to wash my rice 3-4 times and then drain for 5-10 minutes. I fill out my inner rice cooker pot with rice and water. I dry well inner pot before place to rice cooker. I'm going to plug in my rice cooker and set for white rice. After rice done, rice cooker automatically going to keep warm setting. Don't let stay long on keep warm setting because on the bottom rice will be over dry. Rice should be hot so it's well absorb vinegar. For 4 cups cooked rice, I added 4 tablespoons vinegar, but it's up to your taste. I also made my own vinegar by mixing sugar and salt. After I done with my rice seasoning, I cover with towel and cool off rice to room temperature. I still in learning process and any advice or suggestion to make my sushi rice better, I appreciate. Thank you so much for watching.